Dankie voorsitter en goeiemôre Kongres. Firstly, Derek, as PwC we would like to extend our gratitude for your professional manner in handling all the audit affairs, and we wish you continued success. We, as PwC, issued an unqualified audit opinion on Grain SA and its companies. It's underpinned with several key principles that I'll highlight one or two in this session. Firstly, the Grain SA board has prepared the financial statements of the group that's free of material misstatements and has assessed the Grain SA group of companies as a going concern into its foreseeable future. The audit was executed and conducted without any significant audit findings. The consideration is, if we think back on the Section B Income Tax Act that was identified as a significant audit finding over the last few financial years, has been addressed by the board and management through compliance of the restructuring process. Congress is, as you're well aware, the extent and the detail of those processes involved several phases. The final phase is the transfer of the immovable property from Grain SA to Nampo. On this, we as auditors with management has concluded that Grain SA is compliant to Section 30B of the Income Tax Act. However, management will need to ensure that ongoing compliance reviews with the section provisions are conducted. Laastens wil ek net graag van die geleentheid ook dan opreg vir bestuur bedank vir hul hoflikheid en hulp wat hulle verleen het gedurende die auditprosesse en dit is as ook die audit en risikokomitee met die uitvoering van ons audit. Dankie.